ay luto-lutuan muna tayo for today. Ganda. Nilagyan ko ng bee pollen. Kasi wala akong sugar. Tingnan natin kung anong effect. It's so stretchy. Thank you kay Chef Louie for the recipe. Wait, let's put it like this. Alam mo talaga marunong si ate girl. Oh. Diba? Ang cute niya. Nagsistretch. Set it aside. So guys, ito na nga. In my baking era. Charot. See it? I made this dough from scratch. Galing sa threads kay Chef Louie. Diba? I'll share the recipe. Na-share lang din sa akin. So, what do you guys think? Diba? Mukha na siyang pizza and it's gooey. Let's see. Let's taste it later. I'm gonna share it with you. Ito na siya. I baked this for about 15 minutes. And look! It's so fresh. I'm gonna put the sauce and cheese and other toppings and then I'll bake it again. Yan na guys. Hirapan na. Kasi natin ng cheese. Ay, nalaglag. Nilagay ko lang pa dito. Let's see how. You have to take care of your cheese. Kasi magiging stale yan. This is our finished product. Sarap. So, ito na nga yung finished product natin. Woo! Sarap, guys. Mainit. Para siyang crossover ng langos or langos minus the sour cream and cream cheese. But this is my take on Korean pizza. Thanks to Chef Louie for the recipe. Ayan, yung dough. Sarap. Distorted yung pizza, but it's okay. I like it too.